Yung isang kabataan na nag-express sa amin sa grupo, ang sabi niya, you know, I feel strongly that the church up to now is looking at the digital space as just a medium of communication. Ang sabi niya. And yet for us young people, it's a continent. Ang sabi niya. We live there, we're very present there. Ang sabi niya. Tapos sinyer ko yung experience ko na nirelieve ko yung pandemya at isang masakit na experience sa akin bilang obispo that during the pandemic, merong doktor na nagsumikap na humingi ng Sacrament of Reconciliation by Zoom. Sabi ko, hindi pwede. Sorry, hindi pwede. Kasi according to, dapat ang sacrament, physical siya, nandyan ako. Hindi talaga pwede. And then, I had a very heavy conscience. Tinext ko si Cardinal Chito. Napakabait ni Cardinal Chito. Parang ang ano ni Cardinal, follow your conscience. Just, I followed my conscience. I was going to follow up. Patay na siya. I was so heartbroken. All because the only space that we know is physical space. Nagbabagong panahon, and the digital space is also very real. And yet, para bang hindi tayo makapag-facilitate ng God experience in the digital space na pwede mo namang i-guarantee ang confidentiality